Auzu billahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Old paper MCQ series part number 25. Which is the biggest desert of the world? Sahara Desert. Sahara Desert is the biggest desert of the world. Haran Desert is located in which province? Sindh, Punjab, Balochistan. Answer: Balochistan. Four famous desert of Pakistan. Number one, area-wise, is Third Desert, which is located in Sindh. Number second, Thal Desert. Number third, Cholistan Desert. Number fourth, Haran Desert. Haran Desert is located in Balochistan. And number five is Katpana Desert, which is located in Gilgit-Baltistan, Skardu. Who hold the record of the youngest mountaineer to summit world four highest peak? Shahroz Kashif. Shahroz Kashif is youngest mountaineer to summit world four highest peak. What is a Geiger counter used to measure? Geiger counter is used to measure the radioactivity. अल्लामा इकबाल ने जर्मन ज़बान किस खातून से सीखी? वेगन ऑस्ट्रा जर्मन खातून थी जो कि अल्लामा इकबाल को जर्मनी की ज़बान सिखाती थी। CNN stands for Cable News Network. The world famous news channel CNN stands for Cable News Network. A person who has loud voices is called stentorian. Stentorian is called a person who has loud voices. Control plus down arrow shortcut key is used in MS Word to move the cursor one paragraph down. Control down arrow key is used for move the cursor one paragraph down. Which of the following statement about cell theory is true? Theory does not apply to virus. This statement is true. Iodine is obtained from which of the following membrane? Brown algae. Iodine is obtained from which of the following member? Brown algae. The term nationality was derived from Latin word natia. Nationality word derived from Latin word natia. World Cancer Day is marked on which month every year? 4 February, World Cancer Day is marked. Cyrosphere is the study of frozen water. Frozen water study is known as cyrosphere. Anemometer is the instrument used for measurement of wind speed. आखिरी आदमी जर्द कुत्ता का क्लिप किसके अफसाने हैं? अफसाना नगार इंतजार हुसैन के लिखे अफसाने हैं। तूफान नूह ने तो डबोई जमीन फक। ये उर्दू अदब में क्या है? तलमी। तलमी जिसमें तारीखी इशारा बयान किया जाए उसे तलमी कहा जाता है। ओस्लो एग्रीमेंट was signed in the year 1993. Oslo Agreement was signed in the year of 1993. Vitamin D is called calciferol. Vitamin D is called calciferol. MI5 is the secret agency of UK. MI5 is the secret agency of UK. The euro currency came into existence on January 1999. Euro currency came into existence 1 January 1999. नावल आंगन का मौजू क्या है? तकसीम हिंद। नावल आंगन का मौजू तकसीम हिंद है। Which of the following is the true landlocked sea? Oral Sea is the true landlocked sea. Winston Churchill was British Prime Minister. Winston Churchill was a British Prime Minister. Which stock exchange is known the Big Board? The Big Board is New York Stock Exchange name. Which of the following was the tribe of Hazrat Amna Razillah Ta'ala Anha? Zohra. Hazrat Amna Razillah Ta'ala Anha का तलक बनु जोहरा कबीले से था. Who is the current IGI of Islamabad Police? Dr. Akbar Nasir Khan. Thanks a lot for watching my video. Kindly subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.